Welcome to Lesson 1.5, Situational Awareness. Carrying a firearm is a serious commitment, and your firearm is your last line of defense. But the skill that keeps you out of dangerous situations in the first place? That's awareness. Knowing what's happening around you, before it becomes a problem, is one of the most powerful tools you can develop as a responsible gun owner. Situational awareness is simply the ongoing habit of paying attention to the people around you, the exits available to you, and the behaviors that tell you something might be off. It's not some elite military skill, it's a learnable habit, and it gets easier with practice. Think of it in 3 steps. Observe. Notice what's around you. Orient. Understand what you're seeing in context. Act. Respond with the right option, calmly and deliberately. I want to address something I hear a lot. Won't carrying make me paranoid? The answer is no. And here's the distinction. Paranoia is constant fear, seeing threats everywhere, feeling exhausted and reactive. Awareness is the opposite. It's calm, steady observation. You're noting exits, picking up on unusual behavior, and staying mentally prepared without anxiety. The goal is what I call relaxed alertness. Head up, eyes scanning, not looking over your shoulder like you're being followed. Modern life is full of attention traps, and most of us walk into them every single day. Your phone is the big one. The moment you're scrolling or texting, you've tunneled your vision and checked out of your surroundings completely. Earbuds are just as bad. You've now eliminated one of your best early warning systems. Deep conversation with a companion or mentally focusing on a task like finding your keys, these also pull your attention inward right when you need it outward. Recognize these traps so you can manage them. Parking lots are worth talking about specifically because they're among the most common locations for opportunistic crime, and they're also a great daily practice ground for awareness. Before you even park, survey the lot and choose a well-lit space near an entrance when you can. As you approach your vehicle, look around and under it before you get close, and have your keys ready. Don't be fumbling for them at the door. And on the way in, take a quick read of who's nearby and whether anyone seems to be loitering or watching. Gas stations, convenience stores, ATMs, these are predictable environments, which actually makes them easier to assess. Statistically, these are also the most likely places to be attacked. Get in the habit of taking 3 to 5 seconds when you arrive anywhere to just observe who's around, what they're doing, whether anything feels off. Identify at least one exit route as a matter of routine. And when you're reading behavior, focus on what people are doing, not what they look like. Pacing, watching others, nervous energy, those are the real cues worth paying attention to. Here's the core principle of this entire lesson. The earlier you recognize a potential concern, the more choices you have. Early awareness means you can move, reposition, exit, or de-escalate. You're in control. Late detection collapses those options fast, sometimes down to just one. Proactive observation keeps you ahead of the situation. That's what we're building here, not reaction speed, but the margin of time that prevents you from ever needing to react in the first place. I want you to think about your daily routine right now. Where are you most likely to be distracted and least aware of your surroundings? Maybe it's your commute, the grocery store, or school pickup. Name the location, then name the distraction, phone, conversation, fatigue, focusing on a task. Now pick one small habit change you can make this week. That's it. One location, one distraction, one adjustment. Awareness improves one habit at a time. Let's wrap up Lesson 1.5. Situational awareness is a practical, everyday skill, not a reaction to fear. Stay observant. Keep your head up and your senses engaged wherever you are. Remember, the goal is calm confidence, not paranoia. Limit your distractions. Your phone and earbuds are awareness killers, and presence matters more than convenience, especially when you're in public places. And always remember, The earlier you recognize a concern, the more options you have. Practice this daily, in parking lots, at gas stations, on your regular stops, and it becomes second nature faster than you'd expect.